A jar here.
What do you think it is? I think that's a sheep.
St-Miguel Island usually always have extreme and harsh weather, where fog and 30 knots wind is not uncommon. We were pretty stoked to find near perfect weather conditions during our time there.
These are waivers? Yeah.
I think so. So they don't want you to expose any bombs. They don't want you to feed bullets to any of the wildlife, and stay off the track.
Okay, well you take that. I think I can manage.
And then it happened.
So Helen broke her ankle going down the hill to the beach. Unfortunately, or fortunately, we had a lot of amazing people who are helping out. We've got a whole crew hoisting her, helping her get safely to the boat. This really sucks.
We had to bring Helen back to her boat, and they had to wait for the next morning to sail to Santa Barbara, where was the closest hospital.
This is seal skin. Apparently the seals just come up to shore and they literally just peel away the old stuff and they get brand new fur.
The island has so much to offer, but you're not allowed to explore by yourself. You need to be assisted by a park ranger at all times, since multiple unexploded bombs was found on the island.
So today we are hiking on San Miguel Island. We're going to the Caliche forest. No clue what that is. We're about to find out. On this island, you have to make sure you stay on trail if you don't want to get blown up. Just kidding. That's probably not that bad. Oh, and we're doing the hike with a couple other boaters that are also anchored around us. So it's pretty cool that we're exploring this neat little island with a few other cruisers. Really get to know some friends that are also doing the baja, and so we're probably going to be traveling down the coast with them and see them as we go along.
The flowers on these are like this pink. See them?
Lupo and
As in wolf.
the California poppy flower. Nice.
You're right.
Yeah, you guys are my favorite group ever. I'm having such a good time. I think now I'm just so exhausted from yesterday.
The Hub SeaWorld Research Institute has spent more than 35 years studying the seals on the Child Islands. The researchers are flown to San Miguel to study the elephant seals. They have come a long way since 1882, when they were on the verge of extinction. But since then, with the help of the scientists, the population has grown exponentially.
So we finally made it to the Channel Islands. First stop is San Miguel. Over there is Collier Harbor, which is where we dropped anchor with our friends Helen and John. Super excited to be here with them. And yeah, we just spent the last couple of days hiking up this lovely canyon. And there's an awesome park ranger on site named Susie. Thanks, Susie, for everything that you've shown us and educated us on. And I don't know, life is starting to feel good now. It's nice and hot. Views like this.
How does that feel after a nice hike?
So much better. Eric, is going spearfishing for the first time. We better catch some fish, because if he doesn't catch some fish, I don't know what we're gonna eat for dinner tonight.
Two stingrays. That's what the crocodile hunter or whatever got killed from. There's a bunch of sharks.
But no fish.
No fish. No fish at all.
What are we gonna eat tonight, Eric? So, not gonna lie, ever since we got to the Channel Islands, it's felt really good. It's actually warm, and there's a beautiful sunny beach, and there's freaking amazing hikes, and there's a whole bunch of other sailors here and people who like the outdoors, and it just feels like our people, our place. And yeah, now I'm kind of like, okay, how am I going to make money so I can continue to live this crazy lifestyle? I just really am starting to like this, finally. We're Netflix and chillin'. No, but actually, like, Netflix is on the big screen, and then we got Eric's handmade nachos. Is it there?
Yep, it's right here.
What kind is it?
I don't know. We'll have to Google it.
Oh, it's so cute little.
Give me a wind chandle.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah. Well, we have something to eat now.
So what kind of fish do you think it is?
I'm not sure. We'll have to look at the guide when we get there.
Greetings from Santa Rosa Island, one of the 5 Channel Islands. We are the only boat in this bay, just over there, which is kind of cool, having an island all to ourselves. We are just getting ready for a 13-mile hike round trip to the Lobos Canyon. Pretty stoked to see that. Some really interesting land formations here. There's Black Dragon.
We're in Santa Rosa. We haven't seen another human being since yesterday. So I definitely feel like a desert island right now.
Huh. So we are on the Torrey Pine Trail on Santa Rosa Island, where there is an endemic tree species called the Torrey Pines, and it's specific to this island actually. It's a subspecies of the same trolley pine that you can find in La Jolla at the Trolley Pines Natural Park. That's pretty cool, hey?
Santa Cruz Island a little earlier than anticipated because we have some 35 to 40 knot winds coming through and we want to be in a safe anchorage so we can try and get sleep. Didn't sleep at all last night. It was actually only blowing up to 20 knots.
In the next episode, we get to Santa Cruz Island. We steer an anchor for the first time, make new friends, and get to explore a sea cave around Little Scorpion Anchorage. Thank you so much for all the patrons to make this adventure possible. Please make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.